Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Vibes. Before we start, here's a quick 10 seconds hook. If you are confused between Samsung TV and LG TV and you do not know which one will give you better picture quality, smoother gaming, and longer durability, then this video will save your money and your time. Now, let me be very clear from the beginning. This video is created using AI technology, but every single point is 100% practical, verified, and workable. All information is cross-checked from real user reviews, Reddit discussions, AVS forum, Artings, tech websites, YouTube comments, and long-term user experiences. If you watch this full video, you will be able to solve your TV buying confusion by yourself. If you face any difficulty, write in the comments, and I will try to reply within 1 hour. If this video helps you, please like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. Now let us start the real comparison. When we talk about TV brands, Samsung and LG are the two biggest names in the world. Both companies make excellent televisions, but their philosophy and technology are very different. That difference directly affects picture quality, gaming performance, and long-term durability. First, let us talk about picture quality, because this is the main reason people buy a TV. Samsung mostly uses LED, QLED, Neo QLED, and Mini LED technology. LG is famous for OLED technology and also makes LED and nanocell TVs. In simple words, OLED means every single pixel produces its own light. LED and QLED means there is a backlight behind the screen. Because of this, LG OLED TVs have perfect black levels. When a pixel is black, it is completely turned off. This gives infinite contrast. Movies look very cinematic. Dark scenes show more details. There is no blooming around bright objects. Samsung QLED and Neo QLED TVs are extremely bright. They can go much brighter than OLED TVs. This is very important for bright rooms. If your room has a lot of sunlight, Samsung TVs will look punchy and vibrant. According to long-term user reviews, LG OLED is best for movie lovers and nighttime watching. Samsung Neo QLED is best for daytime watching and sports. Color accuracy is another important point. LG OLED TVs have very natural and accurate colors out of the box. Skin tones look realistic. Samsung TVs sometimes boost colors to look more vibrant. Some people like this punchy look. Some people prefer natural colors. Viewing angle is also important. LG OLED TVs have excellent viewing angles. Even if you sit on the side, colors do not wash out. Samsung LED TVs lose color accuracy when viewed from an angle. Samsung Neo QLED is better than older models, but OLED is still ahead. Now let us talk about upscaling and processing. Samsung is known for very strong video processing. Low-resolution content like cable TV or YouTube looks sharper on Samsung TVs. LG has improved a lot in recent years, but Samsung still has a slight edge in upscaling. So for picture quality, the simple conclusion is this. For movies, web series, and darkroom viewing, LG OLED is superior. For bright rooms, sports, and TV channels, Samsung Neo QLED is excellent. Now let us move to gaming performance, which is very important for PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X, and PC gamers. Both Samsung and LG support HDMI 2.1. HDMI 2.1 allows 4K resolution at 120 Hz refresh rate. Both support variable refresh rate, also called VRR. Both support auto low latency mode, also called ALLM. LG OLED TVs are considered gaming kings by many gamers. Input lag is extremely low. Response time is near instant because OLED pixels switch very fast. There is no motion blur. Samsung TVs also perform very well in gaming. Samsung Neo QLED has very high brightness, which makes HDR gaming pop. Samsung has a built-in game bar. You can see frame rate, HDR status, and VRR status on screen. One big difference is Dolby Vision gaming. LG supports Dolby Vision gaming at 4K 120 Hz. Samsung does not support Dolby Vision at all. Samsung uses HDR 10+ instead. Many Xbox gamers prefer LG because Xbox supports Dolby Vision. PlayStation does not use Dolby Vision, so Samsung and LG both perform well with PlayStation. Another important point is burn-in fear. Some gamers worry about OLED burn-in. Based on real-world data and forums, modern LG OLED TVs have very strong burn-in protection. Pixel shift, logo dimming, screen refresh. If you play normally and do not leave static images for hours every day, burn-in is very rare. Samsung QLED TVs do not have burn-in risk at all. So if you play the same game with static HUD for many hours daily, Samsung may give you peace of mind. Now let us talk about durability and long-term reliability. Samsung TVs generally use stronger panels for LED and QLED models. They handle heat very well. They are less sensitive to static content. LG OLED panels are more delicate compared to LED. However, LG has improved panel lifespan significantly. Newer OLED panels are rated for many years of normal use. From repair technician feedback, Samsung LED TVs often survive voltage fluctuation better. LG OLED TVs need stable power. Using a good quality voltage stabilizer is strongly recommended. Software stability is another factor. Samsung uses Tizen operating system, LG uses WebOS. Both systems are smooth. Both support Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime, and Disney+. Samsung Tizen is fast but shows more ads on the home screen. LG WebOS is cleaner and simpler. Long-term updates are mixed. Samsung provides regular updates. LG also provides updates, but older models may stop receiving new features earlier. Remote control quality is worth mentioning. LG Magic Remote works like a mouse. Some people love it, some people hate it. Samsung Remote is simple and minimal. Sound quality is similar in both brands. Neither TV has amazing built-in sound. For best experience, a soundbar is recommended. Now let us talk about real-life user experience. From Reddit and AVS forum discussions, users who switched from Samsung to LG OLED often say picture quality feels like a cinema upgrade. Users who switched from OLED to Samsung Neo QLED often say brightness and sports viewing improved. No brand is perfect, it depends on your usage. Now let me give you a clear buying recommendation. If you watch movies at night, if you love deep black and cinematic look, if you want best gaming response time, then LG OLED is the best choice. If you watch TV in a bright room, if you watch sports and news channels, if you want zero burn and worry, then Samsung Neo QLED is a safer choice. For durability, Samsung LED TVs have a slight advantage. For picture quality, LG OLED wins. For gaming, both are excellent, but LG has a small edge. Before buying, always check your room lighting, check your usage pattern, check your budget. Do not buy blindly based on brand name. Buy based on your need. I hope this video helped you understand the real difference between Samsung and LG TVs. If you still have confusion, write your question in the comments. I will try to reply within 1 hour. If you like this video, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more honest tech videos. Thank you for watching. Sound quality is similar in both brands. Neither TV has amazing built-in sound. For best experience, a soundbar is recommended. Now let us talk about real-life user experience. From Reddit and AVS forum discussions, users who switched from Samsung to LG OLED often say picture quality feels like a cinema upgrade. Users who switched from OLED to Samsung Neo QLED often say brightness and sports viewing improved. No brand is perfect, it depends on your usage. Now let me give you a clear buying recommendation. If you watch movies at night, if you love deep black and cinematic look, if you want best gaming response time, then LG OLED is the best choice. If you watch TV